welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I am super excited. It's Glossybox time. Now you might be like, why is there a Glossybox at the end of the month? Well, I'll tell you. On Monday, this limited edition All I Want Glossybox goes on sale on Cyber Monday. It is going to be £30 for non-subscribers, £25 for subscribers with free delivery. It has 11 incredible products worth over £140. I'm so excited. If you guys want this, you need to be quick on Monday because you need to go on the website and just be there. Because Glossybox are smashing the balls off everything at the moment. November box is sold out. The December box has sold out. It's not even December and it has sold out. So if you sign up now, you will get a box in December, but it won't be the actual December box. It will be a welcome box, and then you will start to be on the January one for the actual box. But yeah, if you subscribe now, it will be a welcome box, not the December box, because they are just killing it. So yeah, let's get in here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's get in. They've also got loads and loads of deals on their calendar at the moment. I'll link everything down below. I've been shouting about it on my Instagram, but I think you can get, there's like a deal where you can buy 2 calendars. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, so yeah, there's just lots of deals. I'll link everything down below with any discount codes that I can get my little chubby hands on. So this is the box. It says All I Want. How beautiful is that? It's like, it's a nod to the usual Glossybox of the pale pink, but then it's got this beautiful gold. Oh my god, that's so pretty. This is a keeper. And it says All I Want. It is heavy. Okay, so something's fallen out and it says Kat Von D. And this is You're Invited. And it says, enjoy a complimentary makeup service with Kat Von D Beauty worth £35. To book, please visit one of our Kat Von D beauty counters in Debenhams and speak to a member of the team. This is valid until the 31st of January 2019. So you can go and have your makeup done at a Kat Von D counter worth £35. Which will be lovely for you. If you want to go and get your makeup done by a professional. I'd love to have my makeup done by a professional, but with children you don't get time to do anything. I'm bribing them right now with waffles to sit and watch CBeebies while I do this. Anyway, let's get in. This box is so hefty. I'm feeling all festive. So we've got, that's just a little thing telling you about Glossy. And then we've got a 20% off sensational peel off polish. Ooh, I'll put all these discount codes down below. So this is the All I Want little booklet. Look at this, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It says happiness, love, fun, freedom, peace, dignity, health, beauty, confidence. I love it. So let's just have a look. So this is what we've got in here. Oh wow. I'm excited. Okay, the first thing I'm going to grab is the palette because it's just ginormous. Oh, they're a little bit me colours. So this is the Blank Canvas Cosmetics Master Series Palette 1, The Art of Perfection. Let's have a look. This is obviously a full-size palette. It's worth £30. Let's get in here. Hacks at it with scissors. Ooh. And it says, this palette of burnt toffee tones is perfect for warming up your eyes. It's autumn. We love the 11 velvety matte hues ranging from brazen, the perfect base colour, to corruption and must-have warm smoky eye look. Shimmering highlighter shade, Goddess, completes the palette. You'll receive this best-selling you'll also receive the best-selling vegan-friendly double-ended brush. So let's have a look. Oh, look. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a really beautiful nudes palette. Like, absolutely gorgeous. What one should I just... I'm going to just swatch the shimmery one to start with. And then I'm going to shove my finger in. Oh, I don't know. Carmine. Let's have a little look. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is literally like my perfect palette. Really. Look at that highlighter. Oh, look at the brush. Get out, get out, get out. Oh, this is lovely. So the one end is flat, so you've got like one to pack on the highlighter shade on the lid, and then you've got a fluffy end as well, which feels lovely. And now I'm never going to get these back in here. It's fine, we're just going to put it back in the purse. It's fine. That is so pretty. I'm really excited. I'll do a full video on that one. Oh, I'm excited. We're already one thing in. I'm just dropping stuff everywhere. Okay, next up we've got a couple of Kat Von D perfumes. We've got Saint and Sinner. So they're really good sized samples. I don't use Kat Von D for reasons that I will not, I won't be going into in this video because it's not the time or the place. But these are really, really good sized samples. You've got deluxe minis worth £9 each. These are. I'm not going to spray them or anything because I will give them away. They are really cute little samples, just little bottles, and it says Kat Von D on it. I don't know if it's going to show. It's really, because it's been outside my basement, it's really cold, it's got condensation on it. But they're really cute samples, so they will be going in a giveaway. But they're really nice big samples. Kat Von D's packaging is really, really snazzy. What are we going to do next? I'm going to grab you. What are you? Moroccan oil. This is for hair. A Moroccan oil hair treatment. Apply a small amount throughout damp hairstyle as usual. I could probably do this. My hair is fried at the moment. Where are you? This is a deluxe mini. This is worth £13.45. Wow, and essential for many celebs, Moroccan oil is a hair care saviour, rich in antioxidants, shine boosting vitamins and argan oil. It will transform your hair by detangling, speeding up drying time and boosting shine. Oh, I'm excited to try that. Ooh. Oh, it's a cute bottle. I'm really excited to try that. My hair is so tangly at the moment. It's just like candy floss on my head, to be fair. We've got a Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Purity water. I've used this before and I really liked it. I think this is one of the ones I really liked. I'm pretty sure this was the first one I tried and it was a really good one. And it smells nice. Vegan friendly, boasting a fresh tropical fragrance. This clear and hydrating water foam formula gives you a natural golden tan all year round. No need to rinse off, no transfer, no stickiness, and no self-tan smell. And this is a deluxe mini worth £7.75. I love that they're telling us how much things are like for the deluxe minis, because sometimes it's really hard to work out how much a box is worth if it's a mini, because you're like, I don't really know how much it is. Okay. Oh my god, Beauty Boulevard glitter lips ruby slippers. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. This is £12.50, it's full size. Stand out from the crowd with glitter lips, a staple for your Christmas party. This glitter is waterproof, smudge proof and lasts for 8 hours. Keeping your lips parted, apply the gloss, and once it turns clear, generously apply the glitter and then use a makeup brush to dust away any excess. Oh, I'm excited. I'm going to do a video on this as well. Oh, this is going to be part of Vlogmas one day. I'm just going to like go on the school run with glitter lips. That's happening. Stay tuned. Okay, next up we've got an eyebrow, a Brow Power universal brow pencil, and this is, just says it's universal. Does it have a colour? I don't think I've heard of these. This is a deluxe mini, £6.33, full size is £19. This award-winning eyebrow pencil helps to create defined, long-lasting natural brows. Cleverly adjusts to your hair colour based on the pressure you apply. Softer strokes for lighter brows and harder strokes for darker brows. What? What? Get out. Oh look. Let's have a look. We'll do a little line. We'll do a light line. Oh yeah, you can. That's clever. That's a bit clever, isn't it? And on the other end, yeah, it's got a little spoolie. I love a spoolie. I love a spoolie. It's not ever something like a few years ago I thought I'd be shouting about. I love a spoolie. We've got some peel off polish. This is sensational. So this is the one that we've got a discount code for. We all know how difficult glitter nails are to remove, but this award-winning polish has the answer. It glides on, dries in minutes and doesn't damage your nails. Best of all, it doesn't require nail polish remover. Just peel the polish off. Oh my god, that's going to be amazing. I love peeling off nail varnish. Full size, £6. I'm going to do my nails with this and I will put a picture on Instagram later, and then I'll peel one off and we'll see how easy it is. I'm excited. Okay, next up we've got a Nude by Nature Perfecting Primer. Really pretty packaging on this. A rose gold and the cream. Fancy pants. This is deluxe mini, worth £11. Never be more in need of a skin perfecting primer than in winter, packed with Australian Kakadu plum, which is abundant. They're just, I'm sure they put these words in just to make me look stupid. Everyone's like, you do it on your own. I know. Which is an abundant in vitamin C, along with antioxidant green tea, vitamin A and E. And this little gem has a clever formulation that blends seamlessly into skin. It also creates a luminous base for your makeup. Oh, I love a luminous base. I've started to sort of put my hydrating and like shiny glossy primers on. Oh, it smells good. That has just gone in really easily, and it has definitely left like a kind of glow on the skin, which is lovely. We like that. Get on. I can't get the lid on. I'm just going to cross it in now. Get on. Thank you. Next up we've got Lash Perfect Black Mascara with Lash Enhancer to lift. Ooh, ultimate black lash boosting mascara that is smudge proof, delivers lush thick lashes for maximum lift. How much are you? Where is it? Oh, it's there. Oh my god, this is £23.95. Crumbs. Thick long black lashes are a Christmas party essential. This clever black mascara combines lash enhancing serum with high quality mascara to increase your lash density by up to 35% in 6 weeks. That's good. Get out. Oh, it looks fancy. I'm not going to open it because once it's open then you have to use it. And I'm currently on a mascara at the moment, so I don't want to open this and then it'll be a waste. So I will do something. I might do like a little Instagram test and see how it lasts. And then finally, I've got a Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum. It's like all the oranges. This is a deluxe mini worth £18.44. New York dermatologist Dr. Dennis Gross brings you the weightless, fast absorbing gel serum packed with vitamin C and collagen amino acids. You'll see an instant reflective brightness, brilliance in your skin as it works to reduce dullness, dark spots and lines. Mashes 1 to 2 pumps onto your neck, face and décolleté once daily, and follow with your favourite moisturiser. Oh. Oh. I've already got crap on that hand. I don't want to waste much. Oh, it is. It's orange. It is. Oh, wow. It's got a really strong smell. It's not my favourite smell in the world, but it does feel really nice on my skin. And if it makes my skin nice, I can get over the fact that my face might be stinky. But yeah, I don't like the smell of that. But it's gone in. That's literally just absorbed really nicely. So I'll be having a go on that. I think that was amazeballs. As I said, this box is going to sell out faster than fast things do, just because Glossybox are the queens and kings of the boxes at the moment. So yeah, I will link everything down below for you guys. Remember, if you subscribe now, you will not get the normal December box. You will get a general welcome box, which could be a previous box. So I don't want anyone to think they're going to subscribe and get the exact same December box as everyone else, because it has sold out, because it just has, because they're amazing. You can still get the calendar. I'll link it all down below with all the discount codes. Thanks to Glossybox for sending me this box. It's amazeballs. And yeah, I'm so excited. It means it's nearly Christmas. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.